Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a simple and basic couscous that can be used in a salad recipe or simply as a side dish with salmon or any other meat of your choice. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by and please do consider subscribing. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Now to see how easy it is to make this couscous, keep on watching. Here I have my couscous, some chicken broth, green onions, garlic, salt and butter. A full list of the ingredients will be down below in the description bar. In a medium saucepan, add your butter and your minced garlic and saute until fragrant. Now I'm adding 2 cups of chicken broth followed by 1 teaspoon of salt. Add your 2 cups of couscous to the boiling liquid, remove from heat, cover and allow to absorb for about 5 to 7 minutes. Once all the liquid has been absorbed, now I'm adding my green onions using a fork to fluff. Transfer your couscous to a serving dish and your couscous is ready. As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.